mga sano, bibigyan ko ng moment yung anak ko na nag-celebrate ng birthday ngayon dito sa Solea. So, itong video na to ay para lang, yung konting video ko lang sa kanya. So, again, pakiusap po, mag-subscribe kayo. Thank you very much. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. We love you, babe. Mommy, Kuyas, and Papa. Everyone. Okay? Do you enjoy? Yes. Hmm? Which one? This one? It's not functioning. It's also water. It's a fountain also. Hmm? No, they're not using it by now, right now.
What? What you said?
It's disabled. It's not functioning.
Why you're not allowed?
Oh, no, it's not allowed. It's just maybe they are saving water. So you enjoy? Happy birthday again. So Papa will sit there, huh? Bye. Bye. Babe. It's almost, oh. Hey. Marius. There you go.
Whoa, Pete,
Are you gonna blow your cake now?
yeah?
They blow na.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay.
Blow your cake. Ooh!
Wow. Wow, that's nice. My boys
Are you happy?
turning 6.
Look at Mama. You stand here. You stand
What
here.
is this burning?
You stand here. Stand here. You stand here. Look at us. Smile. Okay.
Whoa!
So yun lang yung short video ko sa anak ko mga sano. So thank you very much for watching. And again, please don't forget to subscribe. To God be the glory.